Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really cool video. I haven't done one of those in a little while and it's a haul. So we've got a couple of goodies from AliExpress and mostly Shein. So here's a little baggie and there's quite a bunch of stuff in there. So I hope the video isn't too long, but I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. So let's get right to it. Okay, so I'm going to get the boring things out of the way first, and then we can crack on with all the nice, cute charms and everything else that I've got. So, first things first, I've got some more tips. I use these all the time, mostly for my acrylic videos. I don't know if you follow me on TikTok and mostly on my YouTube shorts. I do a lot of like acrylic swatches and those come in handy big time. So I'm always having to get new packs. So I got these. It comes with a nice little handle too if you wanted to like actually use it for swatches and, you know, like showcase to your customers or your clients and everything. But yeah, they're really nice. I can open them up, but yeah, they're just the standard ones you can really get. I did notice that some are shorter than others. So do bear that in mind. So if you buy one pack, try and buy this from the same like supplier again or seller because I've ordered a couple of times now and I just kind of just search it up and I chuck the first one that pops up into my basket and I just purchase it. And I have noticed that some are shorter here and others are a bit longer. So do bear that in mind. And then next up, along with the acrylic vibe, and also alternatively you can use these for gel polishes as well that don't have the actual color at the top as well. So these are swatches as well. So what happens for me, mainly I use these for acrylics. So I'll just flip it around, apply the acrylic at the bottom, and I'll pop it on top of my containers. But like I say, you can also use these on gel products as well on top of your bottles if they don't have like a swatch stick at the top. And it's literally a game changer. It's such a little thing, but it makes such a big difference in your drawers. You're able to pick up the colors, you know, you're able to find them much quicker. It's just such a game changer, this. And whilst I was shopping, I noticed they had heart ones. So I decided to try them. They're definitely chunky though. I don't know if you can see how thick they are, but they're very chunky and huge. But I thought for like aesthetically like pleasing videos, swatch wise, these could be really cool. So yeah, that's why I picked both of those up. I just thought we can give them a go. They did have like other shapes. They had stars and all sorts of other different like shapes and stuff, which I think is really cool. And especially for content creation, things like this is going to be really handy and cute and make your videos just so eye-pleasing and everything. So yeah, keep an eye out for some swatches using these. Okay, let's quickly go through the AliExpress stuff first before we dig into the Shein stuff because we've got way more of the Shein stuff. So, on AliExpress, I picked up this plate. You guys would have already seen a video using this. I just could not wait to film a haul and I just didn't have enough stuff, so I already opened it up and made a set. So, go check out my channel and you can already see a cute design. I absolutely love the design I came up with using this plate, so definitely give it a go and have a look at the video. But it's super cute. It's the Powerpuff Girls all down the bottom. You've got some hearts there and it's all different just like images of them on here. Super cute. And the back end is just white. And then from the same seller, they had a SpongeBob one too, and I know that you know, there's quite a lot of now designs that you can create with SpongeBob too. So yeah, little them as little babies, the faces, the hearts, just really cute. I can't wait to do something with these as well. Then crystal wise, I came across a seller that has these really unique looking crystals and I just had to pick them up. So at the moment I just picked up 2 different colors in the same size, just like a tester. That's what I usually like to do. I just pick up one color and then one size, and then once it comes and I really like it, I'll go ahead and order the other sizes too. Or I might not like it, so I don't order the other sizes. It's just a way of, you know, not wasting my money on crystals that I might not end up using. So here it is. It's stunning. Like the colors is just so unique looking, almost giving me a vibe that it's gonna glow in the dark, but I'm pretty sure they don't. But they're really cute looking. So we've got like this baby blue shade, and we also got this minty shade as well. They're really cool. Hopefully I can do something with them. They're really pretty for sure. I think, especially with crystals like these, I prefer when I've got all the sizes so I can actually like combine them into a crystal placement design. When I only have one size, it's a bit difficult sometimes, but hopefully we can give it a go, or I'll just have to wait to get the other sizes. Then I picked up these butterflies. Again, it was a bit of a test because they had a bunch of other colors and I really liked the way that they looked. and they are stunning. They have a blue like center, and then it comes out into like this see-through color, and then it's got black on the ends, and it's really, really beautiful. So I picked up the smaller size and the larger size, and they have all sorts of different colors, purples, pinks, greens, reds, all sorts. So I'm definitely going to picking up the other colors too, because these are stunning. Beautiful. And last but not least, I love stamping, as you all know, and I have a couple of stampers, but I wanted a bit more just as backups. So I picked up the Beauty Big Bang one, and I am a bit disappointed because it doesn't have a cap, so it's straight jelly there. So it's a bit annoying. So when you store it, you have to be very careful, or just keep it in the baggie. But even then, like, it's constantly touching it. I don't know how I feel about it, but we'll see how it performs and if it's a good pickup, because I have ordered a stamper before from AliExpress, and it didn't actually pick up very well my image of the plate. So we'll see if this one works. So if any upcoming videos have stamping, definitely click into it and see if I'm using it, because if I am, that means it's working. And if you see a couple of videos of stamping and you don't see it being used, probably not working at all. So that will be the end of our AliExpress haul. Now time for our Shein. All right, I'm going to start off with these beautiful roses. I'm just going to get a clear little one of these containers so I can show you guys, because they've all got these stickers on them and you can never see. So these are some beautiful purple roses. I will open them up and show you, because the packaging is covering it all up. There we go. They are beautiful, and they come in different colors. They're like baby blue, baby pink shades, and oh my god, they're literally unreal. So I will probably be picking up more of these, but they're so pretty. Like, the detail on these roses is unreal. I don't know if you can see each like individual petal. You can really like see them. Beautiful, beautiful. So that's the first baggie, and as you can see, there's loads in there. It might be 50 in there, who knows, but there's a bunch. So definitely one pack will, you know, you'll be able to have for a long time. Next up are these little things. I've been really intrigued with these, like, I don't know what you call these when the crystal's got this like pointy back. Maybe it's a pointy back crystal, but I've just been kind of into wanting to try these and pop them into like a crystal placement on a nail. And look at these. These are unreal, guys. Stunning. You've got some butterflies, some squares, circles, and mainly butterfly square. Oh, there is a heart in there too. Gorgeous. So we've got a baggie of these. On that note, we do also have a baggie of blue ones. So if we open this one up, it's almost like the pointy back, but along with also just some regular flat back blue crystals. Look at that color. Oh my gosh. Oh, unreal. So there's a couple of shapes in there. So we've got a butterfly, some squared circles as well. I wonder if maybe I'll open it up for you guys. Oh my god, that heart! Whoa, okay, these are stunning. The blue is unreal. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, now we're talking, guys. There's a butterfly in there. Oh my gosh, on its own. Look at that butterfly. Get that really close up. Whoa, beautiful. So can't wait to use those, and it's really cool that you get it in the little just circle crystals in there too, because you can literally just straight up make a whole design there. But at the same time, you do get more of these shapes in these kind of individual bags, so it's kind of up to you what you're going for, you know, what you prefer, but both are absolutely stunning. And then last thing on that kind of pointy back note, we've got these two. So let's open these up. Okay, so these are these beautiful, beautiful pointy back. What kind of blue would you say? It's not baby blue. I wouldn't say it's like a deep blue, maybe like an ocean blue. It's beautiful in person. It's unreal. And you've just got a row. So you've got 4 of different shapes. So you've got hearts, kind of like a square, but with rounded edges. You've got like a triangle, rectangle, and these interesting shaped ones. But they're really, really cute. And yeah, it comes in this little plastic packaging. And hopefully we can create something. I already have some crystals, just a regular flat back, you know, circle crystals in this kind of shade of color. So hopefully we can create something with these too. And also, you don't always need the same color. Actually combining them with other colors is going to be just fine too, and really beautiful. So don't feel pressure that you need the same color as your pointy back crystals. Don't think that at all. Then we've got these, which at first when I opened these, or like opened the packaging, I was like, oh, these look a bit, I don't know if I'm too keen on these, you know. On the website, they look really cool, but the longer I've got these, the more, when you actually flip them around the proper way, they are beautiful. So you've got just a bunch of different things here, as you can see. So we've got some hearts, we've got some little bunny outline, we've got some roses there too. These bows are stunning, guys. Look at that bow. Crazy looking. And then you've got this little heart with a bow as well, just slightly smaller. And yeah, they just keep repeating. And they're really, really cool. They're almost giving a resin look. And I just love the purple and a little sparkle background that it's giving. And it's really, really cute. Can't wait to use these too. I know I've got a lot of subscribers who love purple designs. So you are going to be in for a treat when I start using these into purple designs. So that's what we've got. And we've got, as you can see, a bunch in this baggie. That's really nice. We can have a lot of different designs using these crystals. Next up, I've got these flower smiley hearts, and they're kind of like obviously charms, but they look really cool, and I've got a feeling they do glow in the dark. But oh my god, they're so cute. They're so cute. Obviously they're quite huge, so obviously on your nail they're quite huge, but they could be really cool for, you know, I do a lot of those stiletto nail designs, so they could be fun just to create a design for you guys, but I'm not sure about wearing. So maybe we could put it to the test and make a press-on nail set with these and see how that goes. But yeah, they're absolutely humongous, but absolutely cute as well. I wonder if they actually do glow in the dark. Not sure. I feel like they were advertised like that. So maybe they just need to be in the light, because I literally just took them out of the packaging. So maybe they just need to be in the light for a little while. That's that. Then we've got two of the same baggies but different colors, and I feel like they've got different bits and bobs inside. So they had these mixes, like look how much you get in a bag, loads of different charms. So it came from the same seller, but I've noticed that the pink has different shapes and sizes and different like look than the white ones. The white one seems to have quite a lot of bows in there and hearts, and there is a random strawberry in there, but it seems to be quite repetitive. But the pink one seems to have a lot of different charm looks in there. Okay, so you do get a random green in there, so that's interesting. So obviously some of them are quite like regular charms that you can get, so these are quite popular and you see them everywhere. But then these, for example, I've never seen that before, so these kind of charm bags are quite fun sometimes to get something different. There's this little flower. Is that a banana? That is a banana. Interesting. Oh my god, look at this little teddy. Oh, that's cute. There's a star, butterfly, obviously the green bows, some of these jelly bows too. So yeah, just a bunch. Oh, got some grapes in there. Cute. So obviously that's the pink baggie. So you get quite a lot of just different ones in here. So you get that. And then when it comes, like I said, to the white, I just find that when at like a first look, you kind of get a lot of the bows. Which is fine, because I do find myself picking up bows, white bows in particular, often too. So that's absolutely fine by me, to be honest. Ooh, these roses. Okay. Given like a pearl rose vibe to them. Oh, got a bow, a rose attached. Okay, so there are bows that I've not seen before. I've never seen that one. It's given like a glossy vibe too, which is nice. Well, that's a bow I've never seen before. Okay, that's cool. What's that? Oh, that's a little sweetie with a gold little flower on top. So that's cute. Okay, guys. If out of all of that, I probably would recommend these baggies because they were super affordable. And look how much charms you get in there. Oh, these are fun too. You can pop something inside and make it look little vintage frame. Oh, what's this? That's a big bow. Whoa. That's really cute as well. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Highly recommend these. I highly recommend most of the stuff I got today, to be honest. Really, really cute stuff in there. Let me just see if there's anything else. Okay, there is actually. There is. So, I got this, which is still in its bag because it actually cracked. So, it cracked right there in the center. But, it was very affordable. Like, I don't know, £3-4. And you get different sizes of flowers. But I don't know if you can tell, but some of them are a bit different looking, like not your regular flowers that you get. And of course you get a couple of caviar beads too in there too, with some pearls as well. So it's probably, can I open it? Oh god, only one side opens. Oh no, maybe I'll keep it as is. But yeah, you just get a bunch of flowers, and you never know when they come handy when they do. So definitely get yourself some flowers if you don't have them in your collection. I, for the longest time, wasn't using them, and then one day it just hit me, and I've been using them a bunch. So highly recommend getting a bag. Either one of those or just individual packets. You can get individual colours if you're leaning more towards, let's say, you know, pinks and greens and all that kind of stuff. And then last but not least, they had these really cool little sets of different sized crystals. So they go down in sizes, which is nice. And I got a green one, which I'm not a massive green fan. So it might be that I went, although, can you see that? Aren't these two shades different? Or is it me? Let me just look at the camera. Oh, they do look kind of the same. Maybe it's just my eyes. But yeah, green ones. We've also just got some clear. And we also have some red. Red for sure, I'll be using these for sure. Green not so much, but that's just because it just doesn't attract me as much, but maybe we can think of something. So that'll basically conclude our haul today. I hope you guys liked it. It's been such a long time since I've last done a haul. I will leave as many links as I can in the description. All of the stuff today, I highly recommend, especially these charms. They're just so fun and yeah, just so fun. I love these kind of things. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned for some videos, because you already know I get really excited and I instantly want to dig into these and start creating designs. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I would love to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.